there's some stuff going down in Mexico again that I hear tonight. I'm gonna go check out a red Evo. That should be, I think, around 550 wheel. Trying to get the old car situated. Shut up. I'm gonna roll this out like usual so I don't upset neighbors around me and upstairs, because I have respect, you know what I'm saying? I'm not part of the Scion boys going down the street. Just checking on the good old oil real quick for that drive out to Mexico. You know what I'm saying? I thought I locked the GoPro in the damn hood of the car. That would have sucked. The neighbors over here, super cool too. Nobody's ever upset about the car. It's like 9:40 right now, but I just started up, give it a couple seconds and take off, take it easy and let it warm up. But upstairs neighbors love it, side neighbors love it, everybody loves it. I don't cause any problems, so it's pretty cool. Shit, almost hit a pole. I forgot to mention that Colten's coming out with the guy with the Corvette that I filmed. He's hanging out with me. We're gonna go out to go hit the streets. That'll be cool. He can help me film. He's a cool cat, so it'll be interesting. Got to put his address in the maps, go get some gas, and get this shit going. Gas stations, go fill this bitch up. Got the strap on the head. I don't give a fuck. Let's do this. Actually, I was gonna take a picture. I need the key. Keys in. Wheel straight. Life of taking a picture. Are you recording? This thing is dirty as fuck. Yo, could that guy have parked any further away to fuck me up on this? Alright, I guess Colten's bringing out his bike tonight. He picked it up from Arizona, I think he's from. No, Texas. I think it's Texas. He picked up his bike, so he's gonna take it out tonight. We'll see how dope that thing is. Love the smell of E85. Car's gonna smell like shit for a little bit. Dude, check this out. Clean wheel. Brake test nation. I picked up this 5-gallon jug from a local place off of Coast Highway. It's not a VP racing jug, but it's pretty legit. It's only like 30 bucks or so. I like the style of this hose, or the material. It's a lot flimsier, so I can get it actually in the back seat and not have it all smush up on the roof. Just like such. This is the best idea ever. There we go. I really do need to wash this car though. It's getting disgusting. The inside's clean, the outside's like fucking 1998 shit. There we go. Colten was gonna travel with me to Mexico. It looks like I'm riding by myself, but at least he'll have a motorcycle, so that'll be interesting. Oh well. All alone again. Ye fucking huh. I guess the best content comes from that though, so whatever. Green light. Remind me to close my door. It's open. Forgot to close it. That turbo spool though with the door open. Listen to that. He said he was over here at the Chevron. Almost ran up a damn curb looking over there. Ooh, something smells sour. Something's going on out here. Ocean Slime's at it right now. There's a Mustang. Alright. You going to Mexico? Oh, that's a V6. That one's a little screamer. You're gonna fucking freeze, dude. You're gonna freeze so bad. Alright, let's see here. You're gonna freeze, dude. So bad.
Worst case scenario, it's too cold, I was happy your car.
Just put it in the trunk.
Drop this motherfucker off.
Well, that was the plan, and you decided to freeze. I was gonna take a picture of your bike. Let's see here. What? Look at mine, dude. Have you seen this thing? It's fucking disgusting.
Race car.
I guess. Race bike. Here, look at both of them in there.
Fuck, bike.
No. It's a race bike.
Fully built it.
Fully built it.
Fully built it.
Fully built it motorcycle. What are you gonna do with your hot chocolate?
Would you have cup holders?
Huh?
Would you have cup holders?
I guess.
It's only like halfway. It'll be perfect if I get cold on the way over there. Boom. Pop this bad boy out and it'll warm me up. And
let's see.
Look what else I brought.
Oh.
Hand warmers.
This song's the shit. Forgot to close the door. You guys didn't remind me. Is that it? Yep. Swag. Oh, that hot chocolate smelling dope right now in my car. It's too bad I can't drink it. Look at this rookie. What are you doing, rookie? See if we can make him freak out a little bit. Do the crip walk. Lonely as I am, together we cry. Looks like we're here first. How was that? Yeah? Did you want to sit in the car?
Yeah, probably just fucking slow down.
Your chocolate smells good in here.
Huh?
Your chocolate smells good in here.
Yeah.
You forgot about it. Well, I guess the Evo canceled on us. I wish we would have known that before we drove all the way over here. But there's a nasty Cobra out there.
Typical DSM problems.
Right? I think there's another car coming out. I think it's a Corvette, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll see how it goes. I just ate my McMuffin. They're fucking good. They just made that shit fresh. Colten made them whip up the good old skillet there. These guys are here, ready to roll. I don't want to have to blur any faces, so I'll film from far away. Got a pretty nasty Cobra. There's a low Corvette hiding over there that you can't really see. It's behind that power fucking shit. And I think that's it for right now. I don't know if anybody else is gonna come. The Evo guy, I guess, backed out or had issues or something. Wish I would have known that before, but it's okay. We'll make it all good. All right, there's about to be a nasty Cobra. Nasty. Shooting rocks at my ass. third. I can't keep boosting second for shit. Yeah, I'm on top end. I need like a 50, 60. That was a pretty good time. Met a couple new friends. That Cobra is pretty fast. We're meeting up so he can get some B-roll for his YouTuber channel. And I got the other shots on mine. So that'd be dope. I want to see this shit when I get home. That was a little short video for you guys, but it doesn't get any more real than that. I head up the streets, so I hope you guys like that. It's pretty fun, like I said. Two pretty quick cars. That Audi was pretty dope. That Mustang was sweet too. That's pretty much it. Till the next one.